5 more cocktails, still only 3 ingredients. Let's make them. This cocktail and I go way back. Start with a chilled double old-fashioned glass. 1 ounce Campari right in the glass. Sweet vermouth. And 1 ounce of rye whiskey. Big cube. Drop it right in there. Give it a proper stir 7 times. And you're gonna garnish it with a lemon twist. This is the Outlander in a chilled double old-fashioned glass. You want to start with 2 drops of mole bitters, a 1/2 ounce of sherry, and 2 ounces of Scotch. Get your big cube. The garnish is a lemon twist and a cherry. This is the Astoria in a mixing glass. 2 ounces of dry vermouth, 1 ounce of Old Tom gin, and just 2 drops of Bitterman's orange bitters. Crack some ice into your mixing glass and stir. In a chilled coupe glass, pour. And garnish with an olive. The Astoria. The Kentucky River in a chilled double old-fashioned glass. You're gonna wanna start with 2 dashes of peach bitters, just a 1/2 ounce light, scant, creme de cacao, white creme de cacao, and 2 ounces of Kentucky bourbon, right in the glass. Get a big rock, give it a stir, and a lemon twist for garnish. And that's your Kentucky River. Cheers. The Benedict Arnold in a chilled double old-fashioned glass. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. A 1/2 ounce scant, it means short pour, of Benedictine, and a heavy 2 ounce pour of Scotch. Drop a big rock in there and give it a stir. Lemon twist right over the top for garnish. And you got your Benedict Arnold. 10 cocktails, 3 ingredients. Let me know which one is your favorite.